What's up? I'm gonna be riding my bike.
Oh yeah. This is his two-wheel. And yeah, it's got some motorbikes here set up. As you can see, some more motorbikes over here.
Oh, where'd the paddock bomb go? Oh, it's down the back.
Yeah, it's down the back. Yeah. He might do a video of the paddock bomb. Woo, handbrakies.
Oh, you should be videoing like...
Handbrakies.
Yeah, doing handbrakies.
Yeah, maybe we'll do it later. When the video comes out.
Oh, wait, are you still videoing?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's got pink goggles. Huh?
Okay, I'm gonna get something.
Woo! Woo! Go Jack! Woo! Woo! Yeah. Yeah. Hey boys. Woohoo! Yeah, woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah. And he's dead. Oh, no, never mind. This is how dirty he has gotten so far. Look at this bike. Pretty dirty. This bit, mate, and this is Jack. Look at those boots. Yeah, look at that. Come on. Woohoo!
It's terrible.
Well, he's left me here. Just saying, that was a time-lapse video. He doesn't really go that fast. I think it's pretty obvious, but who cares? Yeah. Let's go check out my bike. Maybe the paddock bomb, you know? This is my bike. It's got some Polaris. It's a beauty. Let's go for a ride. Woohoo! Oh man! Hey, here we go. Park right here. Oh, there's Jack. Woo! And this is Jack. Woohoo! Oh! This is Jack. Woo! 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 Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah. He comes flooring it. Ah! Ah! Sorry!
Hi, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and remember to watch more videos. Thanks.